Great. So, do you want to know something from me?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to know?
Tell me something about
About what?
how I can increase my conversation skill.
Conversation you want to improve.
Yes, sir.
It means you want to be fluent in English, right?
Yes, sir. Just like you.
Like me?
Yeah.
Do you think I am a good speaker, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. If you want to be a good speaker of English, it's very simple. You speak more and more. Do you speak at home?
Not at all because
Hmm.
my family don't know how to speak English.
Okay, your family members, they don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are only the girl in your family who speak English.
Yeah. My elder brother speaks but little bit.
Your brother speaks little bit, not more.
Not more.
So you can suggest him to speak more and more. Then definitely you will have atmosphere. Why? Because we learn so many things from others, right? And we learn so many things from atmosphere. You know, there are so many people, they live in village. If you see the difference in your language, in Hindi I'm talking, so you will find some difference, right? In Hindi also, the person who is speaking Hindi, the person who lives in village, so he speaks different Hindi.
Yes.
And the person who is living in Noida, Delhi, or any city, right? So they speak differently.
Yeah.
So you have to see the things, and just you try to speak with your brother and the person who is educated, right, in your family. Motivate them to speak English, right? And you have to see how you are going to make atmosphere in your family or nearby where you live. So
That's
you just
the
see.
main problem. Atmosphere is the main problem.
Okay.
We can't find that
Yeah.
atmosphere.
So you have to make your English routine. Suppose you take the class here,
Yeah.
right? You take 1.5 hour class. So you have to make your atmosphere. Suppose you have to make your English routine as you have routine to take lunch, right?
Yeah.
You have routine to have dinner. You have routine of everything, right? But you have to make your English routine, and it will help you a lot. Suppose you are taking the class of 1.5 hour here every day, right? And apart from this, are you doing anything at home? Do you have any English routine? Do not tell a lie.
No.
Okay. So you don't have. So if you want to be good speaker of English, so here you are learning and you are not applying. If you are learning, suppose you know the words, you know the sentences, if you are not applying, so how you will be a good speaker of English? So for that you have to make atmosphere, for that you have to make your English routine. Suppose I get up early in the morning, so I will listen some music, right? I will go for reading, right? I will do this and that for my English. So you should have routine like that. Apart from here, after taking class, right? You have to make your English routine for every day. So you have to study, you have to read any novel, right? You have to read any book, or you have to speak with any person who can speak English with you, or you have to make some friends, the people who speak English, right? You have to change your atmosphere. So you have to think, how can I do that, right? Any more question?
Sir, what's about if I speak English, I do many grammatical mistakes.
Grammatical mistake, it doesn't matter. Why? Because I am a speaker of Hindi. You are also a speaker of Hindi.
Yes, sir.
When the person who is living in India, our mother tongue is Hindi, right? So sometimes what happens, we also make mistakes in Hindi.
Yeah.
If you are making mistake in Hindi, so why are you thinking too much to make mistakes in English? Make mistakes, right? Then you will improve. If suppose you come here, I am a teacher, I teach you. If you are not trying to speak,
Yeah.
right, how I will get to know about your mistakes? If you are making mistakes, then I will tell you now. So make mistakes. Do not bother about right and wrong. Just keep on speaking,
Okay, sir.
right? If you are making mistake, it means you are trying and you will improve yourself. And since your childhood, you have done so many mistakes, and from them, I believe you have learned so many things.
Yes.
Also, I learned so many things from my mistakes. So it's okay, no problem at all. Do not think about that. Okay, let me ask you something, right? Your name is Shivangi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So, what do you want to be?
I want to become an IT field engineer.
You want to be an engineer.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you choose this, occupation? Why do you want to be an engineer?
Because there is a lot of money in this.
So because of money, you are going for that.
Yeah.
Mostly I have seen so many people, the people who are doing the things for money, they get failed. If really just you are, crazy about money, so it's mostly chances to be failed. 95% you will be failed. If you have interest and you love this field and you are going for that, so you will be, getting success. If I talk about myself, speaking English is my passion, not profession.
If I don't have
And I love
interest-
speaking English and I am a teacher of English. That's why I am success.
If I don't have interest in anything, so what can I do?
Everybody has, some interest or, hobbies. As suppose you have some interest like cooking, you have some interest in teaching. You have to find your signature strength. What is your signature strength, and then go for that. If you are going for money, so 95% you are going to get failed. This is my experience. From my experience, I am telling you. Did someone suggest you to do? Who suggested?
My friend.
Your friend suggested you to just this web, you want to be web developer, I think, right? So just you don't know about that, and that is not your plan.
I know.
You go by your friends.
No, I have my own plans, but my many friends suggest me to do this. So
Okay, that's good, but see the reason why you are doing this. Just identify your why, then start working. If your why is not clear, there is more chances to get failed. If your why is clear, so there will be very, very less chances to get failed in anything else. So make your why very, very clear and then go for this. And then you will be working on how to do. How should I manage the things? Why is not clear, so you will be failed. So my suggestion for you, just go for this, no problem at all. But I will suggest you, just see the reason why you are going for that. I am a teacher of English, right? But I have interest in advocacy. But I can't, tell a lie. So many advocates, they just, sometimes what happens, they have to tell a lie. It happens, also.
Yeah.
But the thing is that I can't tell a lie. That's why I do not want to be an advocate. But I want to get knowledge. So for getting knowledge, it's not necessary I will be advocate, then I will get knowledge about that. About laws, I can read without being advocate. If I give you example of my father, he is not an advocate, but he knows so many things, sometimes more than advocates. So if you want to get knowledge, so this is a different thing. If you have interest, this is a different thing. And if suppose by your friend you are going for that, so it's a different thing. So you have to choose the proper things. Right? I believe आपको समझ में आया होगा.
yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yeah. Thank you
Okay.
for the suggestion.
Okay, great. So just try this, and thank you very much. You people also, right? You people are listening to us very, carefully, and best of luck. And the people who are watching this video, if they watch this video, 100% you people are going to improve your English as Shivangi is improving. And if you want to join us, so you can join, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. And in next videos, we'll give you our number also if you want to join our course. And best of luck, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.